Welcome back, everyone. We're walking up to the pier right now. This was in our a couple of videos ago. It was totally frozen. Now the pier is mostly unthawed, so we can finally cast. And we'll be back if we get into something. We're just casting green Castmasters and little Cleos. All right. Guy off the pier right here has got a nice brown. This one's a little bit darker. This one. So you just came out of the creek. Nice. Sweet. Buddy Dennis just hooked up with one.
The shark net.
Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one.
That's a chunky one.
Good one, dude.
That's a spawn down.
Nice, man. That's a fat one.
That's a creeper.
Can I grab the net? Nice, dude.
I got this.
That's a chunk.
Like, there's eggs in that thing.
Nice one, dude.
Yeah, probably.
Looks like there's some eggs in there.
Probably a few left.
Few left.
That's a keeper.
Nice one, dude.
Turn it over to the other side.
Yeah, I will.
You can't see what it looks like now. Nice fish.
Dude, that's a nice one.
That is fishing very good. You're the master, yeah?
Yeah, master, right, Andre?
Put it in the water. You got one on, guys? Не витягуй наверх. Давай тягни катушкою, а не вудочку тримай. Зараз відчіпиться, як попустить.
Nice.
Помалу тут з ним. Він зараз потягає, бо він зараз буде тягнути. Навіть запхає сачок в воду. Put it in the water. Put it in the water, because I'll get scared if you don't. Щоб він не боявся.
Oh, it's a nice one, Dennis. Come on, mate.
Get him, just drag him right here. Can't even see where he is. Got him.
Nice.
Nice fish, dude. Chunk. It's still.
It's still got the burn first.
Nice, dude.
Дай на світ. In the snow. Put him in the snow.
Okay, pick him up for a second. Hand him to Dennis. Left the line out, hand him to Dennis. Nice brown.
It's a chunk.
It's a green Castmaster. Here, hold it. Alright, here, look at me.
I can't give you a picture.
Look at me quick.
Oh.
Nice, dude. Out here casting after school. There's a boat trolling right there. Probably hard to see. Get another one.
Hooked up, man. Hooked up, baby. Nice one, man. Pretty nice. Nice. Yeah, you're good. Just put it on. Now look at the fish down. Okay, go to the fish if you want. Put it on. Thanks. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Alright, I'm good, man. Here, just walk back. Walk back. Get him in. Wait. One more time. Right. Get him right there. Yeah, baby. Here, don't put him on. Don't put him on. Here, I'll hold it out. You're good. Here, don't put him on.
Get Evan quick.
Just got a nice brown. Here, put him right here.
Nice one, dude.
Heck yeah. That's a chunk, dude. Oh, beautiful.
Nice,
Nice
man.
brown. My line's all wrapped up in it.
You're good. Here, just pull it off. That looks so, it's like chrome, dude.
Give me in it.
Just that bright green Castmaster.
Beautiful brown.
Nice.
Yeah. Here it is, guys. Nice brown. Just give me in it.
Yeah, absolute beautiful fish.
Across
Nice.
the pier.
Oh, that's a big one. Burying him. Right there. Right there. Wait. Go, come on. Pull, right now. Down and up. Down, up. There you go. Nice.
Nice fish.
Nice.
Get out of the ground.
Thank you.
Nice fish. No problem.
Yeah, no problem. Fred.
All right. Put it down in the fish. Yeah, just look it down in the fridge. Nice one, dude. Bring it right here. Finally, man. Here, don't put him out. You can just keep recording. Just keep recording.
All right, I will.
Here, no, don't set it down here.
Yeah,
Just
that's funny.
Oh, on a green
drag
one.
him out.
Oh, it's a good one.
Not bad.
Here, don't take no. Don't
You and your brother slaying it today. Oh,
Yeah,
brush some of the crap off of him.
It's good. Nice chrome little brown. Yeah.
Nice one, dude.
All right, we're finishing up at the pier. We got 2 nice browns. My brother got one, and I got one nice one. We cut 2 tonight. We'll end up putting them in the fryer most likely. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Get them all in it.
Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.